You want to create a dark area around your video image, this effect called vignette. Drag and drop on that, and you can see you can create a vignette here. If you go to its settings, you can change amount. If you're going to amount to positive, it's turned to white. The negative turn to black. You can change the size of vignetting if you want. You can change the roundness, positive, negative number, and the feather, smoothness in between the edges. You can see if you want to sharp edges, make it to 1, and smoother, going to the higher number. And that's it. You can assign it to your image or the video of your work.